Zack Wallin here. We're in San Jose, California, and it's raining today. So I'm gonna show you guys how to build a box. It's a pretty simple one. And then after that, we're gonna go skate it. The main materials you're gonna need for this box. You're gonna need one sheet of 3/4 inch plywood, 6 8-foot 2x4s, 3-inch screws, 1 5/8 screws, and 2 pieces of 8-foot long angle iron. So we're building the side of the box. For it, we're gonna have one top plate, one bottom plate, and I have made 5 studs. So these studs are cut at 9 inches and 1/4. That will be placed every 24 inches along your top and bottom plate. If you're working alone, it's a lot easier to use a clamp to hold these pieces together, just so you can get a screw in. So we finished one side of our box, and now we have to make one more exactly the same, and then we're more than halfway there. Built the sides for the box, and we're determining our width. We're gonna go with 19 inches wide because we wanted to be able to lip slide safely without our back wheels coming over to the other side and locking in. You're gonna want to cut these blocks at 10.5 inches. This gives you a finished measurement of 19 inches wide. This includes your 3/4 inch plywood on each side. Pre-drill a hole before sinking the screw in. This helps keep your wood all aligned and prevents cracking of the 2x4s. You're gonna rip your 3/4 inch plywood into 3 main pieces, 2 for the sides and 1 for the top. Then 2 more small pieces for the ends of the box. Finished building the box last night. We're gonna go pick some angle iron up, pre-drill some holes, and install it on the box. Once you're done drilling a hole through the angle iron, make sure you follow up with a countersinker bit. This allows the screw head to sit flush with the angle iron, so you're not catching it when you're grinding. We just finished the box. Now we're gonna go test it out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you learn how to build your own box. And if you build it, you got a good quality box you can bring anywhere. Thanks.